Hello, this is Chanakya Joshi from Get a Connect, and you are listening to the CLO Talks. Our mission is to help you use learning for real business outcomes. Last time, we talked about reasons why companies fail, and there were two major reasons. Yes, only two major reasons why companies fail. We took that input from them and designed our explore and exploit principle, which is going to act as a rule of thumb for us. Whenever we are going to take any decision, learning related or anything in general, we are going to ask this question to ourselves. Is this going to help me explore or exploit something? If the answer is yes, then only we will go ahead. With this firmly at the back of our minds, let's now look ahead in this journey to revitalize your L&D. Let's have a plan of action to use learning for real business outcomes now. We don't want L&D as a cost center from now on, and to change that, we need to reposition our L&D like R&D. For that, we need to launch our own corporate OutLearning practice. Let's understand what it is. It is L&D 2.0, and the first different thing about it is its ownership. If you want business outcomes, you must put business heads to own your corporate OutLearning practice. It will not be just an L&D program, but a corporate investment owned by function heads. Nothing in a company works unless it's owned by its business heads. Another thing about corporate OutLearning practice is it will cover both our explore as well as exploit philosophies. It will be focused on future and cover our explore part and help your organization for catching new trends in customers, technologies, business models, products or services, competitors, etc. To cover the exploit piece, it will be focused on processes. It will help your organization execute better by focusing on designing your own corporate playbooks. For example, sales playbook, marketing playbook, digital transformation playbook, quality playbook, supply chain playbook, HR playbook, customer support playbook, data management playbook, customer onboarding playbook, your channel partners management playbook, change management playbook, compliance playbook, new joinee onboarding playbook, etc. In addition to these important pillars, it will focus on creating talent. We all know hiring is tough. Instead, let's hire a cat and make it a tiger. Yes, your corporate OutLearning practice will equip you in such a way that even if you happen to hire a cat, you can make it a tiger. It will focus on learning, rather OutLearning culture. It will build and run a platform where all your best people can easily share their tricks with others. It will work wonders for you. By now, you must have heard this a number of times. Teaching others creates a culture of learning. That's what the COP, Corporate OutLearning Practice, owned by your business heads, will enable within your organization. It will make your internal experts teach others, spread the knowledge, as well as improve the all-important team bonding. And most importantly, COP will focus on practical implementation, not just certifications. Let's talk of real-life projects from learning and real-life promotions to those who implement learnings. I'm sure now you will have a question. Can we outlearn in everything? Not at all. Let's be practical. As an organization, you can't build or buy awesome trainings for everyone on every topic. No need of doing that. You don't want to be an institute. You need to find out where, as a company, you're going to outlearn. You need not outlearn in everything. Find out key capabilities that make your company outperform. That is where you must outlearn. Other capabilities can stay tactical. Plan and prioritize your trainings accordingly. Now let's come to the first step you need to take for this. As you are done with this podcast, set up a workshop with your senior leadership team and form your own corporate OutLearning practice. Launch it with active participation from your relevant business heads. Form an awesome team and keep listening to this podcast. We are going to cover step-by-step detailed process on what should be done by your COP team members. Right from the top-down process to plan your trainings, which is explore the future trends and find out their impact on your business models, to finding out your own new competitive advantage and related new capability models, to creating your own corporate playbooks, to execute a exploit using all your core capabilities, to troubleshoot your organization to find out where your existing things are broken and how you can work on them using learning. We will also look into real innovative use cases which you can use to scale up your business systematically. There is really a long way to go. We will continue our journey to use learning for real business outcomes in future episodes with further more insights hinted at just now. Thank you for listening and see you in the next episode. Till then, outlearn and think of how you can reposition your L&D like R&D.